Hey guys, Ramchild here, and yeah, this is going to be an impromptu one because, well, the PSU on the Red Dead Ravager is failing. I'm not kidding. Okay, so here's the problem. If I boot the Red Dead Ravager, so yeah, as you can see, it's stuttering at 92. Basically what's happening is it's not spinning up the hard drives properly. The three traditional hard drives at the bottom, it's not working properly. It's stuttering there. See, it keeps alternating between A0 and 92 now. That's because it's very confused. The two other drives are not responding properly to it. Yeah, still not wanting to boot. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so upon booting, go to advanced. Okay, I wait a few minutes and then I turn it back on. I manage every property, and now it says it's normal. And if you check the disks, it says all the drives are online now. So yeah, can confirm from here it's pretty much a power supply issue, so we are going to get the power supply replaced. After all, according to the Outer Vision PSU calculator, this machine needs 950 watts of power minimum and 1050 watts of power optimal. The power supply I have in here is only a 900 watt. So right, we're going to replace it. And you know what? We're going to replace it with this Corsair HX1200 1.2 kilowatt 80 platinum. Heard from friends that this is a very good PSU, and yeah, took a while to get one, so it better be worth it, especially since it sapped 1,100 ringgit off my wallet, so it better work, better be good. Right, so first thing first, let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, so cut the silk down here, and yeah, comes right up. Oops, cut. Okay, comes right out. I need somewhere stable to put it. Okay, so right, let's open the. Get rid of the plastic wrap, and yeah, it's a pretty well-made box. Tight. Oh boy, it's tight as heck. All right. So here we have a Corsair box. Yeah, it's upside down. So let me get rid of this wrapping later. Right, so let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, see what's in here. Okay. Instruction manual. Warranty information. Addendums. Information. Okay. Power supply. Sadly, I'm going to have to change the power supply lead again. This one doesn't use a C20, it uses C12. Okay, whoa, this is nice. Like the Seasonic before it. It comes in a nice black bag. And when it comes out, yeah, it's a PSU. Important information. Some operation at low, moderate load. This fan will not spin. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Right, we'll get rid of that. So right, Corsair fan in there, HX1200, both sides. Specifications down here, 100 to 240 volts, thank God. Because I won't buy anything that is region locked. FSP power supplies are as well as lower end Season, as well as lower end Silverstone and Cooler Master fans now. No, I hate region locking. I hate region locking. I will not patronize companies that support region locking. So yeah, that's that. So okay, 100 to 240 volts, 15 amps. That's a lot of amps. You should have given me a C20 connector, because those cables are rated for 15 amps. But yeah, you can't have anything. You can't have everything. C12 it is then, I guess. Alright. Okay. So we have the PSU. We have a bunch of wire ties and screws for the PSU, which we probably won't be needing, and a big bag full of the stuff for the PSU. Right. Get this out of the way. What do we have in here then? Let's see. A Molex to floppy connector. Yeah, nice, but not needed in our build. The 24 pin ATX power connector, the most important part of all. And then there's the 2 EPS connector, which is the, well, where's the other EPS connector? I've only found one. So right, this is PCIe for video for the GPUs. So for the GPUs, right? So one. Okay, this is going to be a problem. Oh no, wait, here it is. CPU type 4. So yeah, 2 EPS connectors for the motherboard. Although we will only be using half of the second one, because it's a 4-pin connector, right? We have 4 PCIe connectors with the 6+2 lead, 2 6+2 leads on each end. We'll only be using 3. I'm planning of the third one we'll only be using half, because we have 4 GPUs. So, and the motherboard needs one as well. So right, 2 GPUs will have to share one, I'm afraid. This one's a spare. We can keep this aside. For power for the hard drives, we'll use the 90-degree angle one. Use this one, and then we need one for the Molex. So yeah, we have to use this one, I guess. Everything else we can keep for now. We don't need the rest. Or maybe I'll just use put another 90 just in case. Yeah. Have 3 floppies. So right, 3 floppies, no 3 PCIe's, 2 SATA, 1 Molex. Okay, wait, I'm going to use 2 SATA curve, 1 Molex. Okay, 2 8 pins and 1 PSU. So yeah, that. Not going to be using anything else. Okay. So, right. Let me sort everything out, and then we'll go and remove the old PSU from the Red Dead Ravager. Alright, time to get messy. So, right. You can see we have a lot to take apart, so right, it's going to be very, very tiring. Let's get started. Never thought I will see this ever again. Okay, let's do this. I never want to see this ever again. Looks like no choice. Okay, so yeah, this atrocity let's start with the cabling here. This one comes out, goes back down. Yeah, foolish me, I should have just left this out. Okay, and it comes out. Oh great, this one needs to come down as well, so here we go. Yeah, this one's out, so okay. Man, I'm sweating like a hog. Anyways, yeah, thankfully the ATX extension is down here, so I can just detach this. If it would, excuse me. Yeah, there we go. Detached. And then the two extra extensions. Oh great, I white tied it. Ouch. So yeah. Great, in my itchy hands. So right, this one comes out. This one comes out. Oh, yeah. So down it goes as well. And there. Done from this side. It's all done from this side. So now it's the other side. Alright, back to this side. We have one connector to the motherboard and 4 to the video cards. So let's get rid of the ones to the video card first. Be extra careful to not break these. Oops. Alright, now the one to the motherboard. Yeah, that came out easy. So we just pull this down with the other trees, with the branches, and there you go. Okay, so right, I forgot about these. That means the tree behind the tree behind this is still left connected too. Right, so one more. Okay, there we go. All these three are out. Now the final tree. Yeah, the SATA connectors to the motherboard. This is gonna hurt a bit. So right. Well, it won't hurt as much, but yeah. Let's pull this tree, get it out of the routing, and there. It's out. Now we just have to get the case out. So right. Alright, now we get the case out. I don't have a proper screwdriver with me, so this will have to work, I suppose. Man, I can't breathe. I left my gas somewhere. Cannot remember where, so this comes out. Yeah. Thankfully, because it's in a separate case. God, I need this one. Okay, got it. I don't remember from the life of me where I put the other screwdriver. Yeah, I'm sweating like a hog. Alright, it's out. So I just have to pull it from the back like this. Alright. And voila! The power supply is out. AcBel R9, 900 watts. Was a very good power supply for its day, but yeah, sadly it worked fine on this computer for a few days, and then the hard drive started giving me problems. So yeah, I think the RAM power supply just wasn't enough for the CPU. Anyways, yeah, let's get the new power supply installed. So again, HX1200, you're going to have to put it this side out, the AC out. I have the option of either mounting it with the power supply on the bottom or on the top. Well, looks like I'm going to mount it on the bottom, go ahead and mount it on the bottom so the HX logo is easy, but on the other hand, mounting it on the top means the fans, the air fan have a, you know, better blow rate, better chance of blowing hot air out. So you know what, I'm just going to go it this way. I'm just going to go it this way. You know, the HX is upside down. The other side have a shorter path to exhaust, so we're going to go it this way. Otherwise the hot air from the PSU will just accumulate inside the case and make things worse. Alright. Okay, so yeah, now comes the hard part. I'm going to have to somehow prop the power supply so that it fits, so that it stays in the case properly while we screw it in. So, oh, it's a bit tight. You know what? Sorted. I'm going to use the screws that's provided. Use the screw provided by the PSU. Better choice. This is not working properly for me. The PSU is just not cooperating, and I'm making such a all over. So yeah, be right back. Alright, I'm back. That's the screws that come with the case now. That comes with the power supply now, and we are going to try this again. Right, so first things first, top left. Goes in properly. And the bottom right. That's a headache. It didn't really go in properly just now. Now it goes in fine. Mostly. What gives? Not wanting to cooperate. I'm not using the right hole. It looks like the right hole, but it's incorporating. It's weird. Ouch, it's tight. Why isn't it incorporating? Let me try trading the screws first. Man. Yeah, looks like it's okay now. You know what, I'm just going to leave it screwed in a bit like that. And then these guys are not going to go into the main hole, so I just can treat it like that halfway. And I'll insert it like this. Up, sideways. Bingo. I'll just screw it in. Okay, so now we have the power supply in. It's time to start wiring the innards back. Right, so power supply's in. Yeah, you can notice I've just rerouted the SATA cable to the back as well because, well, decided I might use it behind here. It's cleaner that way. So, right. Okay, I think the wire here is still okay. It's fine. It's up here. That's fine. So, okay. Alright, let's start with the 20 pin. One. See, it's quite a biggie. But, yeah, this will only be operated on the bottom, so don't really need to, stress ourselves with this. Sweat drench right now. Nice, right. Needs to be upside down. 20 pins goes bottom loaded. Here. It's a bit tight. There we go. And 4 pins go up here. And then this cable, it has to stay at the bottom, coil around at the bottom, and then comes up to here where it meets with the 24 pin extension. Yeah. very tight. There. I think you should be fine. Effectively using this riser cable. As long as it doesn't get in the fan, it should be okay. Yeah, there we go. Alright, that's a 20 pin. Now we need to have the 2 CPU power. Split this and then just plug the 4 pin in. And round it to the bottom and into the hole. Another CPU 4 pin. Okay. Oh. Right, so plug it here. Here. And then plug it into the hole. There we go. These 2 cables to the back. Wi-Fi here. Let's put it into place and then how does this go? Oh right, hold on. This thing comes out, so right, that gives us some space to do our wiring. Tie wrapping. There we go. Here's a tie down, so we want to move. Alright, so we'll just move this to the front now. On the other other PSU cable, which will be going to the front. Alright, so move them to the front. Now let's see, 4+4 PSU. So right, this is facing down. So both of them have to face down from behind. Right. And that's it. Yeah. I know. Cable management sucks. Well, at least it looks okay from behind here now. I think. Attach back the drive tray. Yeah, there we go. Now this side is in, this is safe. Okay. That's okay. I don't mess with this side anymore. Right, unfortunately I still have one more thing to do here. So right, fan uses a standard Molex 12 volts, so that is what we'll be using right now. Right, just stuff the rest here, and then yeah, just put this up here just to get this connected. Okay. Yes. Okay. There. So comes down as a single 6 cable. So the power supply is now down there. So we have the 6 pin for the CPU. Just rotate it downwards and okay. Let me right here. There we go. Alright, that's the first power supply. That's for the cooling fan. Okay, opening up the back of the top back now, because I don't want to see that ever again. Says the guy who will open it up 6 months later to do project expand dog. More things in store for this, but for now, this is what we're going to do for now. Right, that's all we need to do. Emergency maintenance. So right, next, the 3 SATA connectors. Oh boy, this is going to be equally messy. So, alright, there's actually 4 here, but we're just going to use 3 and leave 1 dangling. So just like this. Okay, this one should be like this. Okay, yeah, it's folded a bit. And the last one tough. Right. Tougher than usual, but yeah, nothing to take, and voila, it's all in. Right, so alright, make sure the 3 pins are straight, and then yeah, face this to the front this way. Right, this way, just push it here, and the 4th is not going to be connected. I'll leave the 4th hanging to the bottom PSU, or just leave it hanging as well. And yeah, there we go, complete. Okay. Yeah. Now we can close this side up, finally. Okay Google, Knox. Alright. Yeah, I'm having a mild asthma attack as well right now. But yeah, that should do it. Okay, here we go. See the power? Where's the power? Oh, here we go. Yeah, this one's going to go to the back, so good grief. It's a bit difficult here. Yeah, I probably should have closed it up so soon, but yeah. Yeah, should be able to see the ports right now. Put this 3 up here. Right. Okay. Right. We need 3 more. So the first one is going to be the the PCIe supply to the motherboard. You can see this motherboard has a PCIe power supply to the bottom of all the SATA connectors. So right, we need to do this one. Push it down. Shouldn't be too hard, right? Okay, push it to the back. And well, right, I need to tie this down so it doesn't interfere in my, way out. Okay, tie this down, and then just juxtapose it into the system. I think it's this way. Yeah. It's this way. Yeah, here we go. It's in. This is quite a mess. Takes up space, a lot of space, but yeah. I've ordered one more extension cable. My mistake. So right in the bottom, this one we just plug it into along with the video cards. Make it easier. Make it easier on us. I'll just plug it in with the video cards. We know that it's taking the same slots at those. Yeah. And I'll move this to the top. And yeah, the 2 SATA cables as well. To the top as well. And just plug this in here. So, right. 3 motherboards, power supplies, 2 hard drive power supplies. Right, we'll need to use one more hard drive power supply after this, but it's not for what you think it is. Okay, next the video cards. This one doesn't really need to be 3, but yeah. The first PCIe, this is for cards 1. This way. Cards 1 and 2. Right. Put this one in and voila. Primary connectors, second primary connectors are in. Right, so I have to be careful to not break these. Alright, so right, primary connectors are in. I just need to hook up the secondary ones. Let the top be long, let the bottom be short, like this. So I'm just going to wire tie it up together. And then just going to throw it on this hole. So the pot, That's the correct and final part. Okay, done. And the bottom here, right, same as before. Let's shove it in. Alright, and that's the power supplies. We're only using 3 because 1 for the motherboard, 2 for the GPU, 2 for the 4 GPUs. Alright, so the final one, this one's really optional, really, but I figure I might as well do it. Start that hard disk I'm using for more experiments. So, right, let's just plug this up here. And then I'll just let this roll to the back and interconnect here. Alright. The reason I'm doing this is actually we don't need this, but yeah. Alright, so that's that. Now we just need to get the case closed up and test the system, see if it powers up. Okay Google, Knox. Okay, that's it, I think. That's the outside. So now we just reconnect the power. Oh, great. Or at least would reconnect the power if it's compatible. No, I need to get a new power supply connector. Whoa, this is awfully thick cable for C12, but yeah. Let's drop this in. Drop this down if I can. No, can I drop this? I can't drop this. I have to push it from the bottom. Alright, jump cut. So, okay, cable connected. Oh, I forgot the LAN. Alright, that's a quick one. Everything else is connected. We need a LAN now. So, right. There. Yeah, into the top LAN. There's 2 LAN ports here. Yeah. Top one, bottom one's clear. Alright. LAN is connected. Let's move it to the back. I'll check to make sure everything's tight. Okay. Alright, new PSU. Alright. Okay. Powering up. Ready? Hey, we have lights. So, okay. Trying to see if this thing still boots. Okay, remove my keyboard down because I'll need it. Okay. Let's see if it still boots. Right. Silent. Fans are speeding up. Looks like all fans are working, I think. Right, 8 gigs of RAM recognized. Threadripper 16 core. 8 gig. Right. So let's go to the hard drive, Read Expert 2. And physical disk management with physical disk. Everything seems to be online. New, online. Alright, that's great. Everything's recognized now. So, save changes and exit. No, we're just gonna put straight to Ubuntu. Right. And yeah, putting Ubuntu now. Right, so Ubuntu. Device clear. Yeah, it's detecting 4 video cards for Ellesmere or Radeon 480, so it's fine. So for about audio, it's detecting the Titanium Sound Blaster and the AMD ATI audio, so it's okay. So yeah, appears to be functional. Alright, seems like it's successful then. Everything's working as it should. Yeah, this will be a bit difficult to press down to. There we go. Alright, so with that, I guess that ends the vlog. Everything has been connected, everything works fine, so right. Yeah, I better go have dinner now. It's already 8:30. I should have dinner because I have to start streaming in 2 hours, so yeah guys, thank you for watching. And well, see you guys in the next video, whenever that may come out. Ramchild out.